So the Maverick continues to be amazed at the attempts to justify and defend that protest / riot / fan insurrection by Manchester United fans at and about the Old Trafford ground over the weekend. The club basically failed to control their unruly fans and failed to secure their stadium, which led to the game being postponed. I think Manchester United should be punished forthwith for bringing the league into disrepute. They should at least lose the 3 points and face a further suspension of their fans whenever fans are allowed back at games. These selfish and self-centered fanatics have issues with the ownership of them club, and instead of living with it like other fans of other clubs, them decide to disrupt the league by invading the match venue. And look, this thing about getting rid of the Glazers is a smoke screen. At various points, the fans of Liverpool, Chelsea, Arsenal, we all have problems with our owners, but none of us behave like spoiled brats who think we are entitled to always be winning. And this is not about Liverpool getting the 3 points. That can't help you again. But on principle, in addition to losing the 3 points, the English FA should ban and banish Manchester United to the championship. Yes. We are Mr. Man, Mr. Man.